In today's video, we will take out the rear bumper of 2019 Honda Pilot. The very first step is we take out the clips from the bottom, left side, right side, and finally from the top. And before starting the process, if you're new to the channel, make sure to give us a like and subscribe. Now let's jump into this. First thing we saw underneath was a clip, and I'll be taking it out with a door upholstery remover. Once this clip is taken out, we move ahead and notice there are two more clips that needs to be taken out. We'll be taking them out with the same door upholstery remover. Since these clips are underneath, they easily become dusted and it does take some effort to take them out. There we took them out and we do notice the bumper losing its grip. Now we move to the sides. We'll be taking out few clips from the mudguard section first. Since this place is a little congested because of the rear tire being there, we will use a small wrench along with a cross bit. We'll be taking out these screws one by one. We notice there are 5 screws to be taken out. Once the screws are out, we will use a trim remover tool to take out the molding of the bumper on the surroundings. Put the trim remover inside the molding and push it against the bumper. Notice there is some room created. Grab the molding from the same spot and gently pull it against the bumper so that it comes out completely. Since we are only taking out the rear bumper, so we don't really need to take out the complete molding. Behind the molding, you would notice there is a screw, and we need to take it out using a cross screwdriver. Screw is taken out. Now we slightly pull the bumper from the sides. We notice there's a screw underneath holding the mudguard, and we also need to take that screw out as well. Taking out the mudguard is also part of the process. Now we jump onto the other side. Pretty much the same process on this side as well. We will take out 5 screws from the corner. Then we will pull the molding and there's a screw that we need to take out. Pull the bumper from the edge and also take out the screw from underneath. Once sides are done, now we open the trunk. There you would see a special screw that we need to take out using Torx 30 bit. I'll be using an impact gun to take this screw out, but you can use a round head ratchet along with this Torx 30 bit. Once the screw is taken out, there's actually a similar screw on the other side as well, and we would see the screw is not visible at all. In our case, even though it's not needed, but still we will take out the screw as part of the process. Really hard to believe there's a screw inside. Pretty much all the clips and screws are taken out. Now we slightly need to pull down the complete bumper. We notice something is holding the rear bumper from underneath the tail light. There is a bracket underneath the headlight holding the rear bumper. Using a Phillips screwdriver, we need to push this section upwards so that the bumper comes out. There we see it pops out. Now we can slightly pull the complete bumper from one side. This car has a rear sensor, so we need to take out the plug for that. And we notice there's another screw that is hidden underneath the mudguard. We missed it, but now we have to take it out in order to take out the complete bumper. It was actually hidden underneath the mudguard, and that was the reason why we were not able to see it at the very first place. There we took it out. It is one of the plus ones. The same process will be applicable to the other side. In our case, the bumper is burned, so we will just pull it off. But in your case, take it out properly by punching in the Phillips screwdriver. And yes, the hidden screwdriver underneath the mudguard, taking it out as part of the process as well. There's that bad boy unscrewed. This wraps up the entire takeout process for the rear bumper. If this video helps you in any way, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. It will help motivate us making more DIY videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and we will be happy to get back to you. In the meantime, we will catch you in the next video.